So our today's topic is the Yona Mine and Bushi. So in the first picture, you can see it how that girl is so beautiful. So the name of that girl is a Yona Mine Chiru. She was so beautiful. She was intelligent and she was so beautiful. And she was so so that's like father. He was also worried about the marriage of her daughter because he loved his daughter a lot and wanted that she should be happy and she is going to marry with such a person that that he will take care of it. But regarding the Yunamine, what she wanted to in her whatever she got the skill of the karate, she wanted to go with that. So but where she will found that young man who come forward to marry such a beautiful girl, and she wanted to marry with such a person that who is stronger than him, stronger than her. Then Yona Mine had her own idea about marriage. She declared that she will marry with only one person. She will marry only with such a person that whoever is going to beat her in the fight. Then in the same way, then surprisingly, many young men, they picked up the challenge and they come forward to fight her. But after all, she was a beautiful with a fortune. She is so beautiful. And many wrestlers were eager to win the contest of martial art, but there were no use because Yona Mine was she was very good in karate. Then one of the first to ask her hand was a Kojo. See, Kojo is here in this picture. You can see a person who's wearing a white dress. That's Kojo, who was actually bigger and stronger than Yonamain. And he was so tall, well built, that the hands were shovels, legs rhythm, and three tongues. It was so beautiful. Even Yonamain means while playing Yonamain, bowing him means you know very well in karate. If we wanted to fought, we have to bow means we have to just little bit bend down because it's a sorry because it's a way of greeting to our opponents. He threw a puncher, but he never did that. He threw a puncher and breaking the rules of the game. Whatever the games are there, we have to follow that. But this Kojo broke the bed, and the Yona mine was so angry because he break the rule. Then what she did as shown in the first picture, she trying, okay. Then Yona she caught hold of his arm that as shown in the picture, arm, and twisted. He twisted his powerfully and supportively, and the Kojo fell down in a heap and the limp away by defeated. Limp away by defeated means she gets defeated. Means who Kojo get defeated with a Yonamain. So likewise, all the wrestlers tried their hand, but the Yonamain defeated all the people. Then her father get so this he was so this Mrs. so happy that how it will happen if she defeated all the people. So he gets so tense that how it will happen. Then the young man wanted to marry girls who would cook and wash and make tea for their husband. Who will marry a girl who enjoyed wrestling? Really, because normally for the married, the people wanted to marry with such a girl, such a lady who can make that they are married with that people only. Okay, then later on, then the father of the Yonamayan decide who will marry with it, that who loves to know only wrestling. Then the Bushikyo, in this picture, this Bushikyo was such a person who came to marry with her, But who was Bushi? Okay, the Bushi, he had trained under karate master Sukugawa. He proved to be such an expert that he was recruited by Shoko, the king of Okinawa, to be his personal guard. Because who was Bushikyo? Bushikyo, he was trained under the Shakugawa. And he was such a good person, and he was appointed as a personal guard of a king of Okinawa. Then the friends of Bushi, they said, why don't you take a challenge of the girl Yonamide? She may be big, but you are so stronger and smarter that you know that the how friends tease the people. और वो कैसे उन चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ाते हैं friends का. In the same way, the friends are also did that. Then Bushi too, that they're very means that friends of Bushi keys to him. But the Bushi too keen to marry with that Yonamine, but he did not want a delicate and fragile girl for a wife. What is his expectation? He don't want a very delicate and always think about, to do work in the kitchen. He don't wanted to marry with that girl, so that he decided to fought with her. Yonamine was impressed. What? Yonamine was impressed. The whatever there is a conversion and whatever the words get used, were used by the Bushi. That the new challenger that she has heard, she was the one of the King Shoko's personal warrior. He was so tall, slim, and stood so firmly on his feet. He seemed unshakable, and all these get accepted, and it is get surprise or get happy to the Yonamine. So that which looked straight at the opponent showed that he was so fearless and straightforward. Then later on, the wrestling match begins in between Yonamine and the Bushi. As you can see in the picture, student, in that picture, how they did a wrestling the same way. The wrestling match began. Yonamine and Bushi, first of all, as per the rule, they have to bob each other. They bobbed it, and then they began to attack on each other. They punch, they kick, they twist, and they are using their best technique. So it look as if the match is going on so tightly, nobody is going to win. But at crucial time, it's very time, the fight of Yonamine pause. मतलब थोड़ी देर में Yonamine का क्या fight stop हो गया. And so Bushi has took advantage of that moment, and she swept the punch to her. Yonamine father, and the Yonamine has to face the she has to face the defeat. So that the Yonamine's father becomes so happy, so that Bushi and Yonamine, they were married, and they have a grand marriage ceremony. Okay, it means that student, you will come to know, if in any sports, if in anything, if you lose your one time or a concentration for a minute, others will take advantage of it. It was so happy marriage. Yona, as you seen in the picture, Yonamine cooked the food, clean his house. One day she was sweeping the kitchen. Bushi saw she left a huge bag of rice so easily, swept, and again that keep that bag on the right place. So he thought that is she really so strong that in a very one punch that I make her down. He started to think about it. Really, I did it in a one punch. She fall down because this sack of rice easily she picked up. One day, Yonamain announced that she would like to visit her parents, and when she will goes to visit for her parent by the evening or the next day she will come back, and she is going to make dinner. She will make a dinner for the